surface is there and two circles are there. Now if you want to find the area of this curved surface part, then let's open it. When we open, we get one rectangle where this is base circle, circumference of base, and this is height of this cylinder. So what will be the area of this part? From here to here, this is the circumference of circle. Yes, this is in this rectangle, this is suppose length, area of curved surface of cylinder. As we know that area is length into breadth. Now here, length from here to here, length from this point to this point is circumference of this circle. That is why we can write 2 pi r, and breadth is height of this cylinder, height of this cylinder, that is why into h. So 2 pi r h, because this is the curved part. Similarly, if you want to find TSA of cylinder, if you want to find TSA of cylinder, then same part you can take. This is curved surface. When we fold it, it is cylinder. Now to find total surface area, we have to find the area of this part plus two circles are there. Two circles are there. So you can find first of all area of two circle, area of two circles plus this curved surface area. Now area of two circle is 2 pi r square, because area of one circle is pi r square. Two circles are there, that's why 2 pi r square. CSA, just now we got 2 pi r h. Now from these two we can take common. What is common? 2 pi r. 2 pi r are similar, that is why we can take 2 pi r common. Left here r, here h. 2 pi r, r plus h is the formula to calculate total surface area of cylinder. Now next part, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. Look at this cylinder. Now you have to find volume. As we know that volume, formula volume is L into B into H, right? Now L into B is area into height. So area of base into height is the formula to calculate any kind of volume of any kind of prism, and this is also a kind of circular prism. That's why we use area of base into height. Now what is there in base? Base is circle, that's why area of circle pi r square into h. Pi r square is the area of base into this h. So these are the formula to calculate total surface area, total surface area, and volume. Let's solve a question from chapter cylinder. Question is like this. The volume of a cylinder having height twice the radius is 17248 cm square, 17,248 cm square. What minimum square centimeter of paper is needed to cover the curved surface of the cylinder? It means you have to find curved surface area, because to cover its curved surface you require curved surface area. Now, according to question, having height twice the radius, height is twice the radius. It means h is equals to 2r. Volume is given 17248. Volume of cylinder is given 17,248 cm square. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. 17,248 cm r, because h is 2r, so we can add 2r, not only r. 2r can be written is equals to 17,248 centimeter cube. Now 22 to the 44 by 7 into r cube is equals to 17,248 centimeter cube. R cube equals to, now is 17,248 into 7 by 44. What will be the product of these two? 2744 centimeter cube. So what is the cube root of this? You can use calculator. 3744, that is 14 into 14. So 14 centimeter is the value of r. After getting r, you can find curved surface area. Curved surface area. Formula of curved surface area is 2 pi r h. 22 by 7 into 14 into, now what is the value of r? That is double. What is the value of h? H is double of r. So we can write 28. Now 7 4s are 28, or 7 2s are also you can see. Now if you multiply is 2 into 22 into 14 into 4, we get 2464 centimeter square. Therefore, the minimum square centimeter of paper is the minimum square centimeter of paper is 2464 centimeter square. Next question of cylinder is, the area of base of cylinder is 308 meter square and its volume is 1540 meter cube. Find the circumference of base of the cylinder, and as well as you have to find curved surface area. What is given there? Area of base. Area of base of cylinder is given 308 meter square. Now area of base. What is the base in cylinder? That is circle. So pi r square is equals to 308 meter square. Volume is given. Volume of cylinder is given 1540 meter cube. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Pi r square is 1540 meter cube. In the place of pi r square, we can write 308 because area into height, meter square into h is equals to 1540 meter cube. So height is equals to 1540 meter cube divided by 308 meter square. So if you divide 3 5 that is inside the body, so 5 meter is the height of this cylinder. Now next you have to find circumference of base. Now you have to find circumference of base. Circumference of base means perimeter of base, that is 2 pi r. Circumference of base is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7, but radius is not given, so you can find the radius first. To find radius, you can use the formula of area is equals to 308 meter square. Pi r square is equals to 308 meter square. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square equals to 308 meter square. R square is equals to, now you can take this another side, it will be 28. Now R value of R is 7 root 2. Now in the place of R you can write 7 root 2. Now 2 to 44, 7 cancel, 44 root 2 meter, that is circumference of base. After getting circumference you can find CSA, curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. In the place of 2 pi r, that is circumference, so directly you can write 44 root 2 meter into 5 meter. 44 5 is 220 root 2 meter square. Circumference is 44 root 2 and CSA is 220 root 2 meter square. If the sum of radius and height of a cylinder is 21 cm and curved surface area 660 cm square, you have to find total surface area of that cylinder. Here, sum of radius and height. Sum of radius and height is given 21 cm, where curved surface area is 660 cm square. From here, we can write H is equals to 21 minus R. Now, CSA, that is 2 pi RH, is 616 centimeter square. 22 by 7 R into H is equal to 616 centimeter square. Without doing this also we can 2 pi r plus H. Now in the place of H we can write 21 minus R. 21 minus R is equal to 98. 21 R minus R square is equal to 98. 98 is another side, then R square minus 21 R plus 98, remaining in left side is 0. Now factorize this while multiplying 98 while adding 21, that is 14 sevens R square minus 14R minus 7R plus 90 equals to 0. Now from here if you take R common, R minus 14 minus 7 common, R minus 14 equals to 0. R minus 14, R minus 7 equals to 0. From here we get R is equals to 14 or 7. We get R is equals to 14 or 7. Now if R is 14, when R is 14, H is equals to 7 because 21 minus 14. When R is 7, H will be 14 centimeter. Now let's find the TSA because you have to find total surface area of cylinder. Now we have to find total surface area of cylinder. Now when R is equals to 14 centimeter, total surface area will be 2 pi R plus H. 2 pi means 22 by 7. R 14, and now in the place of R plus S directly we can write 21. 7 2 14, 88, 21, 1848 centimeter square. this is total surface area where r is 14. Now if r is 7, then what you have to find next also. When r is 7 centimeter, TSA is equal to 2 by r plus x, 2 into 22 by 7, r plus x is 21, because from here you can write directly, otherwise you can write 7 plus 14 also, same thing you get. 7 cancel, 44 into 21, that is 924 centimeter square. Okay, we get two total surface area. One is 1848, another is 924. Therefore, the USA is 924 or 1848 centimeter square. This is also correct answer. This is also correct answer. Okay, let's solve next question. Here the question is like this: calculate the plane surface. Plane surface means in cylinder, this part is curved surface. The plane surface means area of this circle you have to find, and total surface area of cylinder you have to find. Having the curved surface area is given 1848. Curved surface area is given 1848 centimeter square. And next, the sum of radius and height, and radius plus height is given 35 centimeter. Now from here r is equal to 35 minus h can be done. What is the formula of CSA? 2 pi r h is equals to 1848 centimeter square. 22 by 7 r h is equals to 1848. R into h is equals to 1848 into 7 by 44. R into h, now 44. This into this divided by 44. How much will you get? 294. Now in the place of r we can write 35 minus h. In the place of r we can write 35 minus h. 35 minus h into h is equal to 294. 35h minus h square is equal to 294. H square minus 35h plus 294 equals to 0. Now you can factorize it. When we multiply 294 with 825, that is 14 into 1. 14 into 20. That's right, h square minus 14h minus 91h plus 294 equals to 0. H common, h minus 14 minus 21 is common, h minus 14 equals to 0. From now here, h minus 14, h minus 14 similar. From here, h minus 21 equals to 0. This factorization we have learned in class 8 also, so I will not describe it properly. Now from here we can get h minus 14 equals to 0 or h minus 21 equals to 0. H is 14 or 21. From here 14, from here slightly different value we have got here. So when h is equals to 14, r will be 35 minus 14, 21 centimeter. When h is equals to 21 centimeter, r will be 35 minus 21, which is 14 centimeter. Now different height and radius are here. We have to find the plane surface. When h is equals to 14 centimeter, r is equals to 91 centimeter. What will be the plane surface area? That means circle. How many circles are there? 2. And the area of one circle is pi r square. 22 by 7 here 2620. Again, wait, TSC also you have to find. Before finding answer, you have to find total surface area. That means 2 by r plus h. 22 by 7. What is the radius in this case? 21. Now in the place of r plus h you can write 35. 7 3 is 21. 772 centimeter square. Here we get 4620 centimeter square. Again, when h is equal to 21, r is equal to 14. When now h is equal to 21, r is equal to 14, you can find plane surface area. Square 2 into 22 by 7 into r is here 14 square. And when we solve this, we get 1222 centimeter square. After finding plane surface area, you can find TSA 2 pi r plus h. 22 by 7, r is 14, r plus h is 35, 7 to the, now if you multiply this, 3080 centimeter square. Now from here, 4 answers we get. Plane surface area, one is 2772, and total surface area 4620. Similarly, if height is 21, r is 40, then plane surface area is 1232, and total surface area is 3080 centimeter square. Hello. Now let's solve next question. The question is like this. You can read the question in your screen. Find the total surface and the ratio of the radius and height. You have to find total surface area as well as ratio of radius and height of the cylinder. Having the difference between height and radius is 14 and their sum is 42. What is given? Difference between height and radius. Different between height and radius is given 14 centimeter. It means height and radius, height minus radius is 14 centimeter. Let it be equation 1. Similarly, sum is 42 centimeter. H plus r equals to 42 centimeter. Let it be equation 2. Now let's solve this. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. H minus r equals to 14. H plus r is equals to 42. We are using here minus r and plus r cancel. 2h is equals to 6415. So h is equals to 56 by 2. This will be 2 to the 4, 1 to the 8 is equals to 28 centimeter. If 8 is 28 centimeter, what will be the value of r? We can put the value of h either in equation 1 or in equation 2. In the place of h, if we write 28 minus r is equals to 14 centimeter, then 28 minus 14 is equals to r. So r is equals to also will be 14 centimeter. R is equals to 14 centimeter. Now what do you have to find? You have R plus S is 42. So directly we can write 42. 7 to the 22 to the 44 to the 88. 88 into 42. 88 into 42. 3, 6, 9, 6 centimeter square. After getting this, you have to find ratio of radius and height. Ratio of radius and height equals to R by H. What is the value of R? 14 centimeter. H is 28 centimeter. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 1 is to 2. Therefore, TSA is 3696 centimeter square and ratio is 1:2. Here, total surface area and ratio you have to find, where sum is given 42, different is given 14. We can make two different equations. We can solve and get the value of H and R. Put that value in a formula, we can get total surface area, and to find the ratio we can just divide and cancel them, we can get ratio. Okay. The next question is here. A cylinder has radius of base and height in the ratio 1:3 and their sum is 56 centimeter. Find curved surface area and total surface area. It is very simple question. A cylinder has radius and base. Radius of base and height is the ratio 1:3. So we can let 1x and 2x. Let the radius and height be 1x and 3x respectively. Radius is 1x and height is x. Now according to question, your sum is 56. R plus x is equal to 56. In the place of R we can write x. 3x is equal to 56. 4x is 56. From here x is equal to 56 by 4. 4 14s are 56. Find the curved surface area and total surface area. It's not a big deal. CSA is equal to 2 pi RX 2 into 22 by 7 into R is 14 into 42. 7 is the 42. Now 2 into 22 into 42. Now we can calculate it. Product of 2 into 22 into 2 into 42 is 1848 centimeter square. Now next you have to find TSA. Formula of TSA is 2 into pi into R plus H. 2 into 22 by 7 into value of R is 14 and R plus H is 56. CSA and TSA of the cylinder and 4928 centimeter square respectively. R plus S is given to 56. From here, x plus 3x, now we get the value of x. So R is 14, S is 42. Put this value together, CSA and TSA. Thank you. Okay, next question. Two cylinders have to be made from paper having length and breadth 21 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively. By taking the base as length and breadth, which cylinder will have more volume? We have same two piece of paper, one 21 and height is 14, or we are taking 14 and 21. What do we for? We have to find the volume in different cases. Where circumference, we can use the formula circumference here, because this is for this cylinder, this circumference, for this cylinder, this is circumference. When circumference of base is 21 centimeter, height will be 14 centimeter. So from here, 2 pi r is equals to 21, because circumference is 21 centimeter. 2 by 7 into r is equals to 21 centimeter. R is equals to 21 into 7 by 44. 3.34, we get 3.34 centimeter. This is radius, where height is 14 centimeter. Now for next, let's find its volume first. Before finding it, let's find the volume of first. Volume pi r square h, 22 by 7, r is 3.34 square into 14. 22 into 3.34 square here. When we write this 3.34 only, we get different. So whatever we get in calculator first, same value. Okay. So I suggest you to use full value here. Then we get 491.11 centimeter cube. Actually, if we use just 3.34, we get 490. But this 3.34, instead of 3.34, we have to write full value of this, like 21 into 7 divided by 44. We get this all. Now it's square into 22 into next 14. Now divide by 7. If you do 491.11, we get. Again, centimeter. If we take this 14 as circumference, then this is height. So 2 pi r is equals to 14 centimeter. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 14. R is equal to 14 into 7 by into 7 divided by 44, it will be 2.23 we can write, and your height is 21 centimeter. Let's find the volume here. Divided by 7, 327.41. 327.41 cube. Now, which is more? This one is this one? In first case. Before that, circumference having 21 centimeter and height 14 centimeter will have more room. In first, circumference is 21. In second, circumference is 14. In first, circumference 21. In second, circumference is 14. Height is here 14, here 21. Now from both you can get the volume. Then first we get 491.11. From second we get 327.41. So when we have circumference 21 centimeter and height 14 centimeter, we'll have more volume. Okay, thank you.